I'm Whimsor of Whimsor.com, and this is your tarot card of the day for Tuesday, June 10th, 2014, the Magus card. The Magus is master of all the elements of himself and his environment. He has the power to manifest his will, and so do you. Today is your day to manifest your will, to do something for yourself, to do your will. Nobody has the power to do it for you. And even if they did, it's your responsibility to manifest things within your life. Do so. Take control of your life today. If you'd like a detailed reading, come on over to Whimsor.com to schedule an appointment. I'm Whimsor at Whimsor.com, and have a nice day.